Hello everyone and welcome to your first video on test out. So I'm going to take you through a little demo of how our class is going to use test out. I'll explain the details in class, but for now let me show you navigate around a little bit here. So I'm going to put my login. I'll give you your login in class. So alright, so let's log in here. So each week we learn something new. What we're going to do is we're going to go to products, we're going to go to test out PC Pro, and you see these options up here. You want to click on this and then depending on the week. So for example, this week we're going to learn about PC Technician. Last week we discussed computing overview. I think that's what we did last week. Yeah. So this week we're going to talk about PC Technician. We're going to talk about safety. So some of these videos will actually go over in class. Okay, there'll be practice questions, and you can practice questions. But for like some of the interactive stuff, so for example, anything that you see, let's see here, anything that you see with a little guy like that with a play, that means it's a video. Okay, right here are just some questions, some more or less some description information. So those are just basic descriptions. So let's go back here. This right here is safety measures. It gives you a list of that. Here's a video. So if we wanted to play a video, we could play a video. Protecting against ESD. And these will be some of the things that we actually go over in class. Now let's say I wanted to pause here for a second. Let's say I want to make it interactive. I can click interactive. That way I can watch what she says. I can even move her further ahead and keep moving her further ahead. So these are the videos. So there will be videos that you may have to watch and answer some questions on the blackboard as well as part of an assignment. Let's see, if we go back to here, I may have you go in and say, hey, I need you to do an interactive video. So for example, this one right here is installing a UPS. If we went back to computing overview the first week, we could do, let's see, set up a computer. So for example, you would go in here, you'd start live. Make sure that you have your pop-up blocker unlocked, else you'll have some problems. All right, excellent. So it brings up, it has a scenario over here that you have to follow. Plug the power strip into the back of the computer. You could see if you want to do the back of the computer, click on it. If you want to jump in and look at the motherboard, you can look at it. If you want to mess around with the drive bays, you could do that as well. And you go to back and front and so forth. So let's say we went to cables and we need to plug the power supply in. You see where all your cables at? What you're going to do is match it up accordingly. So this is, I talked about the DVI. So I move this guy over here, click it, and then you see it's clicked in. Maybe I need an Ethernet cable. I'm like, oh, okay, I need an Ethernet cable. Where does the Ethernet cable go? Obviously goes in the back of here. Oops, how about that? I got it wrong. All right, so then there should be another Ethernet cable that would go in the back of here. So it shows that, hey, you know, these two guys are connected now. Then you get different input. Whoops, go back to monitor. You have a monitor. So the monitor has to go somewhere over here. And you have to be able to connect the monitor, which we already had. Input device, where's that cable at? We almost have already connected it, so it's going to be connected. So anyways, you get the gist. But when I have you guys do this, I'm going to have you use software called like a screen video. The way I'm recording this screen now, and that's going to be part of your assignment. So we'll talk about it in class, but I wanted to kind of give you an overview. So now let's say I wanted to get out of here. I'll just hit done. Pass, not pass, because we didn't complete it. Simulation, awesome. Let's go here. And then you go back. So now, like this week, we're going to be doing PC Technician, I believe. Talking about opening computer. Yeah, so we'll be discussing this. We only have one interaction, I believe, which is installing a UPS. Let's see what this is here. Yeah, because the rest is videos and so forth. So if you have any questions, reach out to me. If not, we'll talk in class. Have a great day.